Kumusta? It's your second week. How does it feel?
Di ko din ma-describe talaga yung feeling kasi parang it's all happening so fast. Parang masaya din talaga like everything that's happening, all the rehearsals day like leading up to yung opening night. Tapos ngayon we're already in our second week. So parang kakaiba pa rin yung feeling na kapag nag-perform ka and it's a live audience, di ka pwede magkamali talagang. It's exciting pa rin and yeah, I just love the rush of that.
Nag-viral yung first night niyo when Sir Aga went on stage and hugged you. How does it feel?
Parang you guys can see naman how it feels talaga sa video. Super emotional talaga kasi yun nga, sinasabi ko naman to from the beginning of the promo ng Bagets, talagang full circle moment of, di lang para sa akin, pero para sa tatay ko din. Kasi kung isipin mo talaga 40 years ago, nung nagganap siya kay Adi, nung gumanap siya kay Adi, parang never niyang na-realize or never niyang parang na-imagine na ako magaganap as Adi sa Bagets the Musical. Kaya super full circle and yun nga, we spoke about it, sobrang nakakatuwa talaga and he's just really proud of me talaga and I'm just really happy na my family was there to support through and through all the way. So yun.
Nakita namin yung growth mo sa stage. You did so much. You did great in dancing and your vocals. Nag-improve talaga. Ikaw, anong assessment mo sa sarili mo?
Um, para sa akin po, thank you naman for, if there's any good comments, I really appreciate it because I'm still learning talaga. Aminin ko talaga na I'm still trying to get better and better and improve. So, para sa akin, if I hear things like that, medyo nakakatawa talaga. It's very nice to hear. So, thank you po.
So far, what have you learned from the craft? Especially in theater.
Mahirap ulitin. Yun talaga yun. Na parang, kasi isipin mo kung maarte ka sa eksena, sa set, sa shooting, ganun. Pag may eksena ka, isang take lang yun, dalawang take, three take, tapos na yun. Drop na yun. Di mo na babalik yun ever. Eh dito naman kasi, pag ginawa mo na yung eksena, sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eh bukas ulitin mo ulit. Tapos diba? Tapos the next week ulitin mo again. So parang that's the hardest part I think of theater is being able to replicate the feelings and the emotions na over and over. Oh yeah, of course. Like the first thing he said to me talaga was, "Wow, ganda ng show talaga." And he was really proud of me, not only of me, but of course with everyone in the cast. The other Baguettes boys, even our alternates talagang. He was just proud that we were all able to, get this done and opening night and have a good opening night talaga. Yun yung importante kasi it was just months and months and days, every day talaga of rehearsal, 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 and us being together. Tapos finally nakuha namin yung opening night. So yun talaga ang best feeling doon talaga. Ako, naging emotional ako kasi para sa akin, the months prior to coming to Bagets, I really was pushing myself talaga. In a sense na alam ko din na behind ako, kailangan ko humabol, ganun. So talagang every night, every morning, like nandito ako earlier than other people and, you know, it was hard, it was hard. But also, not just me lang, talagang all of the other boys, we really tried and tried. And mas lalo ako kasi alam ko din na behind ako, first time ko mag-perform. So, talagang pinupush ko pa rin yung sarili ko para mag-improve. So, yun.